Today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your eToro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so it's going to show for you like this here inverse. Then you go down, so you go down here, you will find logout here, so you just click on it. Then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account when you just click here on logout. That's all you have to do to log out here of your account. So that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.